And we ended up expecting that the yen is actually going to be quite a bit stronger in 2023, even up to 122 versus the US dollar by the end of the year. And so we expect the stock market to go up, not a great deal in yen terms, but in US dollar terms, we expect it to be the best performing market in 2023. Our view on other markets is also quite good. We think that the U.S. is going to go up a bit more moderately, but still substantially, and Europe should also do quite well.
So Japan, the best performing market in dollar terms in 2023. Correct. That's a bullish call. I just want to play you something, actually, a conversation we had yesterday on the program with James Morton, who's head of Santa Lucia Asset Management here in Singapore. And he was also quite positive on some aspects of Japan. Let's just hear what he had to say, and I'll get your thoughts on it in a moment.
Having been slating the central bank governor of Japan, Japanese regional banks, which have been one of the worst investments since 1989, could be the pick for 2023. But only the regional banks, not the national ones.
Why?
Because the national ones have been busy investing overseas, and they're likely to be looking at some nasty currency losses in 2023.
So Japanese regional banks rather than national banks. What do you think of that?
Well, regional banks here have always been candidates for M&A, and some of that has been happening. And certainly the prospects look good in a rising interest rate environment for the financial sector in general, and regional banks certainly would be an area of interest. As I disagree with him on the larger banks. They're just so inexpensive in Japan, and the dividend yields are so high. It's a very low PE ratio, single digit, and 3, 4, even 5% dividend yield. I'm not sure as of today, but they're just so undervalued, and a lot of their investments overseas are hedged in terms of especially their bond investing is mostly done by borrowing in US dollars and buying fixed income securities with that. So there's not as much foreign exchange risk as perhaps he thinks.